Today, we are looking at the basics of custom model data in Minecraft and how you can set this up for yourself. Let's start with the requirements. First, you need to be playing on Java Edition, as this guide will not work for other editions of the game. Next, look at the description below to see which versions of Minecraft this guide works for. If you aren't using those versions, this guide will not work. And finally, you will need cheats enabled in your world, since you will need to use commands to spawn these items in. If you are all set, then let's get started with the guide. First, in the description below, follow the link to download and unzip the test resource pack. This resource pack has all the required files needed for this guide. Navigate to the resource pack folder in the Minecraft directory and place the downloaded resource pack into that folder. Open up Minecraft, select Options, and then Resource Packs. You should see the resource pack we downloaded under the available list. Do not continue with this guide if you do not see the resource pack. If you do see the resource pack, you can continue on with this guide. Close Minecraft for now. Next, we need to gather some textures. Make sure all your textures are saved as a PNG file. Once you have the textures you want, continue on with this guide. Now that we have textures, we're going to place your textures into the resource pack. In the resource pack, navigate to Assets, Minecraft, Textures, and then Item. The Item folder is where you organize all your textures. Normally in a resource pack, this is where all your textures go to change the default textures of items. For custom models, we need to create folders inside the item folder and name that folder to whatever item you are making a custom model for. For example, if you are making a custom texture for a diamond sword, you should name the folder diamond_sword. I will be using diamond_sword for this example. Open the newly created folder. Place the texture you want inside this folder. Rename that texture to one.png. Now we are done with the textures. Navigate back to Assets, then Minecraft. In this folder, navigate to Models, then Item. In this folder, we are going to be doing a few things. First, create a new folder and rename it to the same name you used for your texture folder earlier. For example, I used the name diamond_sword earlier, so I'll be using that same name here. Open the diamond folder. Right-click and copy the 1.json file that is inside this folder. Go back and enter the folder you created earlier. Inside this folder, right-click and paste the copied file. Open this file with a text editor. You will see something like this. If you do, highlight the text that says diamond and rename it to the folder name you used earlier. For my example, I will rename it to diamond_sword. Save and close this file. Go back to the item folder and make a copy of the diamond.json file. You will be renaming this file, and in my case, I would be renaming it to diamond_sword.json. Open the new file. You should see something like this. Here, highlight every text that says diamond and rename to whatever name you have been using. In my case, I will be renaming it to diamond_sword. Save and close this file. If you followed my guide correctly, you should now be done with the resource pack. Open up Minecraft. Select Options, then Resource Packs. Click the arrow where the test resource pack is to make the pack active. Make sure the test resource pack is at the top of the list. Now we are done setting up the resource pack. We are going to now spawn in the custom models we just made. Either using a command block or the chat bar, type /give @p Minecraft:/diamond_sword. Then type left curly bracket CustomModelData: 1 right curly bracket. Press enter. This will give you a diamond sword with the custom texture you created. If you do not see this texture, go back and follow the guide again or leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you out. If everything looks correct, then you have successfully set up custom model data in a resource pack. Now I am going to show you how to set up multiple custom models for a single item. In the test resource pack, navigate to Assets, Minecraft, Textures, Item, then Diamond Sword. Drop your second texture file in this folder and rename it to .png. You should now have two textures in this folder, one named 1.png and the other 2.png. If this looks correct to you, then we are done with the textures and you can continue on with the guide. Go back to Assets, then Minecraft, and navigate to Models, Item, then Diamond Sword. Copy and paste the 1.json file in this folder. Rename it to 2.json. Open the 2.json file. Look at the text that says diamond_sword/1 and change the 1 to a 2. Save and close this file. Now go back to the item folder and open the diamond_sword.json file. Copy the line of text shown here in the video. At the end of this line, type comma, then enter. Then press tab twice. Paste the text you just copied. Look at the line of text highlighted here in the video, and where it says CustomModelData, change the 1 to a 2. Then, where it says diamond_sword/1, change the 1 to a 2. Save and close this file. You are now done with the resource pack. Open Minecraft. Now we are going to use the same command from earlier, but at the spot where we type CustomModelData:1, we are going to replace the 1 with a 2. This will spawn a diamond sword with the second texture you placed in the resource pack. If you see the correct texture, you are now done with this guide. If you do not, you may need to restart Minecraft for the texture to show up. If you still don't see the new texture, leave a comment below and I will do my best to help you out.